Okay, first up we have the painting handle XL V2. And this one has the modularity with the holes in it, and it has a pretty smooth extension on it when you pull on it to add the bigger plates onto it. There isn't any real gripes or complaints with this, so I do recommend this fully. And if you are totally serious about Warhammer and you've already ordered a whole bunch of new sets and you think you're going to be painting a lot of bigger models that come with all the other sets depending on your army, then yeah, I do recommend it because you'll have to find creative ways to hold the slightly larger plates. Next up, we have the sub assembly holder, and I know I've seen a lot of videos of people complaining about this and saying it's kind of pointless, it's useless. Okay, maybe a little, but to me, I found that it's actually quite useful and really handy. I always look for handy tools is in the category of useful. You get two sets. There's really not much to say about this. I have no cons. Maybe one, the price was a bit much, but that's okay. Next up, we have the assembly hands. And I think this is my favorite one, and I think this is worth it without a doubt. It is very versatile and it's modular with the rest of them. You can put the extra large handle in there as well as the small one and the sprue holders as well. Again, not too many cons. Maybe the only one would be price again. But if you're going to go cheap and buy something that isn't modular and that works with the rest of the assembly kits and whatnot, then I don't see the purpose of buying a Citadel product and then buying something else that's not related to it. To me, I would rather keep everything the same. Maybe paint is different, but for the assembly process, I would rather have it all the same and make it easier on myself. And that's about it. Again, no real cons to this. This is a helping hands. It helps a lot. And that it's really modular. The main cost came out to around $100 Canadian. And you may think that's a lot for these three items. You may be right, but I think it was worth it 100%. I'd rather pay for ease and convenience and to help me move a little bit faster. In the end, I recommend the XL handle and the helping hands. The sub-assembly sprue holders, I only recommend if you truly are into Warhammer and you're fully committed with more and more packages that you plan on picking up, then yes, I recommend that as well. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.